Best iOS 18 lock screen widgets. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First, battery widget. This widget instantly checks battery levels for your iPhone, AirPods, Apple Watch, or even third party Bluetooth gadgets. It auto updates when devices connect and gives you a quick glance before a long day out. Next, Fantastical or Apple Calendar widget. With this, you can stay on top of your schedule without unlocking your iPhone. It shows next event or current meeting. It syncs with multiple calendars and fantastical event supports natural language input in the app. With just one swipe, you will know where to be. Next, Carrot Weather or Apple Weather widget. Carrot Weather offers custom icons, funny commentary, and hyper-local data. Apple's native widget gives you clean hourly and daily forecasts. Next, Shortcut Widgets. With this, you can put power in your swipe. Add widgets for your favorite custom shortcuts such as turn on lights or send ETAO home or open Instagram with an incognito face. With one tap, you will be able to use the shortcut without the Face ID fuss. You can also add widgets such as screen time widget or focus status. It will monitor how long you have been doom scrolling, or you can add package tracker widgets such as partial shop or deliveries. You can also add music controls. The Now Playing widget will give you quick play pause, next or previous track, and often album art eye candy. So these were a few best iOS 18 lock screen widgets. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.